Hello everyone, so today's recipe is mung bean and spinach cutlet. So here I'm taking overnight soaked 1 cup of mung bean. Make a paste like this. You can add little water to make a coarse paste. And here I'm taking 1 whole onion. This is a small onion, finely chop it. Green chilies, you can substitute it with jalapenos if you wanted a spice in your cutlet. And here I'm taking thumb size ginger. Chop it like this. Now I'm taking a handful of baby spinach here. Chop it. This recipe is full of nutrients, high in protein and very low in carb. It's a diabetic friendly, very tasty and healthy cutlet that you can make for your family and friends. So here you can see I have finally chopped the spinach. I've taken a bunch of spinach. You can just take handful. Now let's add the coarsely grinded mung bean paste. I'm sure you don't like to waste the paste like this on the lid, right? So we take the last paste also. So here I'm taking salt, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the description below. Now give it a good mix. I've not added any oil here. Now this is carom seed, or we call ajwain in Hindi. Carom seed. This gives a nice flavor to the cutlets. Now I'm going to brush oil on the basket. This we do so that it's easy to take each cutlet out once it's done, so that it does not stick to the bottom of the air fryer basket like. Now place each cutlet like this. Take a scoop and put it here. With 1 cup of mung bean, we can make many cutlets, and here you can see this goes well with pesto sauce, or you can make mint chutney, which tastes really good. Let me know in the comments below what was your thought on seeing this recipe, Now it's ready to be air fried. We will set the air fryer at 385 degree Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. So open the basket in between, brush oil, and you don't need to flip it. It will cook evenly. You just have to brush all on top of this layer and let it air fry at 385 degree Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. That's it. Now it's ready to be served. Let it cool down inside the basket. Don't as soon as the air fryer turns off, don't take it out. Let's cool down, then take it, because it will be easy to take each cutlet out. If it's hot and you try to take it out, it will be stuck in those holes in the air fryer, so it will be difficult to take. Once it's cooled down, it's very easy to take it out. It's ready to be served. You can enjoy this with tomato ketchup also, or mint chutney as I mentioned, and look how delicious it looks. It tastes really good. It has all the flavors, the carom seed that I put, ajwain that we say. It brings a very nice rich flavor to this cutlet. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.